I want you not to tweet for the next 5 minutes because Deborah is here. Right?
No, I tweeted that she's here.
All right, Deborah Norville has been hosting Inside Edition. This is shocking. She started on that show when we all started here that long ago.
Only
Here.
she's successful.
You're right. Take a look.
Meet my new best friend, Beethoven, the beluga whale. I put on waders and stood in waist-deep water to feed him with Georgia Aquarium curator Dennis Kristen.
Don't you press him right in the middle of the forehead.
How are you?
Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
This is shocking. You've been doing it, what, 15, 16 years
As
now?
long as you guys, and we're all still here.
Did we really start at the same time?
Yeah.
And you and I were children in Chicago together. I'm so happy to see you. Hey, girl, how are you?
So good to see you, Deborah.
You have
Please.
the only Twitter
Sit.
signal in the building. I've been trying back in the green room. You're like in a cone of
'Cause
silence in
she
the green room.
uses
You
it
have
all
like
up.
a special
Yeah.
thing here. It's
And
great.
I'm from New York, but I love you anyway.
Well, thank you. Thank
So
you.
you
Thank
tweet
you.
as well,
Well,
right?
I try. I mean, I Facebook and I
hear
got
that?
What are you hitting
your
your
I
this
want
is
because
what-
he thinks
excuse
more
me,
we're-
Ixon, remember I told you I got the vaccination right here, Mom?
I'm so
Swollen and sore.
I'm sorry.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
Hello.
Hit him again. How are you?
Hit him
It's
again.
so much fun.
Yeah.
I watch you guys every time I come to LA.
Why?
So thank you.
Why?
Because it's a fun show.
It is a fun show.
Yeah.
Even when he's here, it's fun.
Serious question, and then
Yes,
we'll get
sir.
to the other stuff. You've been doing this long enough to see how popular culture has changed in this country.
Completely.
It has changed so completely that probably you would be shocked if you went back to the first shows you did.
They were newsy.
Yeah.
They were informative. Yeah.
Like when
and-
you went to jail.
Yeah. And sound bites. You know, a sound bite might be 2.7 seconds in the
Yeah.
story that we do now.
Too long.
When I started, I think the average sound bite was 22 seconds
Yeah.
long.
And then
Yeah.
we were decrying that there were only 22 seconds.
Right. It was too short. It was too
Well,
brief.
Steve think that's because of Twitter, that our attention span.
All of
A
that.
little bit of everything.
All
Oh,
of
I think so, but I think it predates Twitter by a long shot.
Yeah.
I think it really started with MTV because
Yeah.
MTV introduced that
Fast
fast editing
food
thing.
society.
I have a theory, and it's not a good one. It's not a positive one. But the more you make information accessible to everybody,
The less we know.
unfortunately, we dumb down. More technology, less real
It's like
communication.
infotainment now. It's sort of
Yeah.
information with
you,
a lot
you
of...
you give them the choice between, do you want to know something important in the world or what's happening with Charlie Sheen?
Right.
Everybody chooses
They
Charlie
all want to
Sheen.
know what's going on with Charlie
Yeah.
Sheen, but right now in Egypt, for instance,
Yeah.
some
Huge,
real big
huge.
news is happening,
Yeah.
but we'd rather talk about Charlie Sheen and what really went on with the
But
girls at his house the other
Can't
night.
Well,
we do
some people
both?
would
Like
rather.
this
Yes, I
show
think
is
we
3
can do
hours.
both, Jill.
We do both.
Yeah.
And I think that there's something to be said about that.
And I think that's one of the reasons that, Lord, please, I beg you, newspapers and news programs will continue because I think we as a public need someone to help us decide what's important.
Well,
People who've been studying this for
we
years.
hope it'll continue. Probably, I can't picture anybody under 30 buying newspapers, but
No,
they
they
could
use
go
the
on
app.
iPad
Right.
and getting things like that.
Absolutely. As long as they go to a place where the news has
Yeah.
been quote unquote
Yeah.
vetted and we've got the important stuff, we've got the fun
But
stuff.
then when you see when you look at what are the most popular news stories of the day, you got to get
Kim
that
Kardashian.
item 23 to get a news story.
Yeah.
Well, that's probably true too.
Yeah.
But that's a reflection of the masses who maybe are going to the internet to be entertained.
And sometimes it's the you can
Yeah.
shoot me the tyranny of real democracy.
Yeah.
Because when they control what you're doing, you're going to do what they want.
Well, I think we can, and I think we do it effectively. I think you do it effectively. I think a lot of people in television that do, where we give you some of that fun stuff.
Yeah.
We certainly led our broadcast yesterday with the Charlie Sheen news, but we also have news that's a little more substantive, stories about crime, stories about consumer products that might be hurting you, and that's also important for people to know. So I think when you flip on Inside
I'm
Edition,
watching.
you'll see
I'm
that.
thinking 2 minutes ago you were that young whippersnapper kid
She
coming
still
out.
is.
16
Yeah,
years.
yeah.
In
No,
the
even
same
before
job.
that.
In the same job.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
You started doing the early morning sunrise thing.
Before the Today Show on NBC. And then I did the Today Show, and now I'm here for all these
And
years.
doesn't it seem like it went like that?
Yeah. How long were you at the Today Show?
If you blinked, you missed me. I succeeded Jane Pauley and was before Katie Couric. So I was there for about a year and a half.
But you got enough attention, believe me.
I did get it. I got enough for a life.
Oh,
Okay.
that's like if
Yeah.
Kelly, when Kathy Lee stepped down, it's hard to have that.
You
You're a
never want to
transitional
replace
person.
the replace. You want to be the replacement's replacement. Not
You want to be the
replacement.
You
replacement.
personally,
Oh,
then?
God, Dorothy, you have no idea. It really was because I felt like all I'd done was show up, do my job, sit in the chair they told me to, and all of a sudden,
And
kaboom.
people,
Yeah.
you know how
The
people
people
are.
came
They
after
filled
me.
in. They assigned motive to you.
They do.
They assigned motive that you were an evil person.
And they would have never let me come on the show and talk. I was under a gag order by my
That's
bosses at
even
NBC.
worse. I don't get why they do that because they make it worse. Then people are out there saying everything.
sure.
And you can completely diffuse it yourself.
But
like
you
that.
know what? at the end of the day, what you have to do, and all of us, I mean, look, there's been a horrible employment situation, and many people watching this show aren't going to a job right now because they don't have one.
That's right.
What you can do is turn inward and remind yourself what it is about you that gives you value. And that's what I did in that process, and I really think that's why I'm still here
That's great.
all these years later.
That you
I know
have
what
that
I'm all about.
fortitude to think that way when, as such a young woman and breaking into the business, you could have been. It's hard. And that was before, thank God, the Twitter and the social networking that we have now. They can, like TMZ, you know, it's so
but the
crazy.
flip side of that is, you know, the people might have come to my defense.
Yeah.
So you never
That's
know
true.
how. But you know what?
That's
You can
true.
play the woulda, coulda, shoulda game, and it gets you nowhere.
And you know what? You take a beating, and either you get better because of it,
The
you
Timex
don't,
lady,
and you
keep
did
on
good.
ticking. Yeah.
You wrote a book about it. You're still here.
Yeah. And I have this new thing now that I'm so excited. In fact, that's why I'm in LA, the Craft Hobby Show.
I know. Do you have a Snuggie down there? What
It's
is
not
this?
a Snuggie. This
You
is,
need one on this side.
This is stuff I've
Well, 'cause,
made.
yeah, we're
Let me
chilly.
just hand
Come
it
on,
over.
you've
You're
made
chilly?
all these.
Here, yes,
You
put
did
that
not
on.
make these.
This is a sock. Steve will give you the
Thank
sock.
you so much.
This is a really cool sweater, and this
I need
Dorothy,
these
we're
here.
gonna give you the foot warmers.
This is no joke. It's freezing in the
It is
studio
And
half
this is
the
what
time.
I gave
These are
people for
cozy.
Christmas. This is a hot water bottle cover. And
Oh.
I gave one of these to my mother-in-law, and she was so cute.
Did
She
you make,
said,
you made that?
I made this myself.
Okay.
Yeah, these are my needles.
So do you do this for therapeutic reasons or just you love it?
I love it. I've been knitting since I was 9 or 10 years old.
Does
And
it go
what's-
with the outfit? I don't know.
Can you
Hey,
stick
you're
your leg up?
snuggly. That's all that matters,
But they're
darling.
warm,
Can you wear
aren't they?
pink with animal
You
print?
can wear pink with anything.
Do you
honey.
find yourself, because I know a lot of addicted knitters, when you're watching TV, you're still knitting.
Doesn't
you're
your
talking
daughter
to people.
do it?
Oh, yeah, you
Yeah,
multitask.
my daughter's very
yeah.
involved,
But,
yeah.
well, feel that. This is Deborah Norville yarn.
It
And
almost
this is
feels
what's so
like,
cool.
because I hate wool. This almost feels cashmere to me.
Look at this.
Thank
It's
you.
anti-piling, and it's soft worsted.
Yeah, and look at the picture. Who's that lady?
Cute. Cute lady.
I would trust her.
Would you do one of these on a billboard naked?
Yeah, you should for Peter. Just wear the hat and the gloves and cover up your privates.
And have a little
Be
ball
like
of yarn
this.
here, a little
I want to tell you, the
I'm not
craft,
sure that LA really wants that.
the Craft and Hobby Trade Show runs this weekend at the LA Convention Center. Inside Edition airs weekdays at 3:30 on KCAL. And here, put this in the mouth.
Were you knitting in the green room?
I was knitting in the green room. Yes, ma'am, I was.
Did you
No,
knit
no, not
something
here.
for
Not
Taraji?
here.
She wasn't here long enough. She left too
How is
quickly.
Brooke Burns? Is she
Brooke
ready?
is
She's
amazing.
up for
I
this?
said to Brooke, I said, when is the last time you ate? 2010, 2011? She looks incredible, and she's just as nice as she is
You know,
pretty.
she has
So
more
lovely.
teeth than most people do. Have you ever
I
noticed
didn't
that?
open and count.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yay!